Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome back to 5 Minute Econometrics, a tutorial for econometric learners. We can calculate the F-Statistic using either the residual sum of squares form or the R-squared form. We have already discussed them in previous topics. We can also use the test command in Stata to perform the F-test. We can write the multiple exclusion restrictions either way. The second way is more straightforward. We write each linear restriction inside parentheses. Here we have 3 restrictions, so we write them inside 3 pairs of parentheses. Stata will display the F-statistic and its p-value. P-value is defined as follows. P-value is the probability of observing the F-statistic we obtained, given that the null hypothesis is true. In our example of the baseball players' salaries, the null hypothesis is that after controlling for the years in the major leagues and the average number of games played per year, the parameters of the 3 productivity variables are all 0. A small p-value is evidence against the null hypothesis. In our case, the p-value equals 0 to 3 decimal places. It is small enough to reject the null hypothesis at any conventional significance level. It implies that the 3 productivity variables jointly influence the salaries of baseball players. We can also compute the p-value using Stata's F-tail function. Inside the parentheses, we place the numerator degrees of freedom, the denominator degrees of freedom, and the F-statistic in order. Stata shows the p-value in scientific notation, but we can display it to 3 decimal places. Today, we have learned how to compute the F-statistic and its p-value. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.